Can you zoom in on this? Is it still clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks normal until you pull it down, then there's openness inside. And there's slime coming out. The other side is normal. I guess that's pus. It's quite slimy. And it collects on her feathers. And it adds to the infection, I think.
Poor.
I'm sorry. I know, I gotta get that clump off of there though. See, there's still stuff coming out.
Ew. Oh. Sorry. That's really gross.
Almost like this wound bleeds to the inside of her eyeball.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I got almost all of it. Now I've got it cleaned and I'm putting hydrogen peroxide in it. And then terramycin in the eye.
Baby.
And triple antibiotic ointment. And that, I'm sorry, Tina. In that pit looking area. I don't know what else I can do. Okay, you can stop it.